Is that for me? So Riley's been bringing Hermie in the kitchen for me to play. So I guess that means she wants to play with Hermie. Huh? You're gonna play with Hermie? So this is Hermie downstairs. Oh, here we go. Yep. What are you gonna do? Can you drop Hermie for me so I can throw him? She likes to play, I guess she wants to play tug of war. I'm not a fan of tug of war. I don't like it. I don't want to hurt her. I don't know if rip her teeth out. She's got such tiny little teeth. Huh. So I don't know now. Do we leave Hermie downstairs and have Hermie Jr. upstairs? What does everyone think? Rylie seems to really like it. Do I bring him down every day? Bring him up? That's a lot of work for me. Huh. I don't know, but she loves him. Got him. I got him. Go. Oops. I can't even throw it downstairs. Oh my goodness. Rylie, I'm sorry. Oh, there's little Murray sitting underneath the dining room chair. Rylie, you gonna play with someone else? Oh, of course you want to come to me, right? Can I have him? No, she wants that tug of war. Ooh, we haven't seen him in a little long while. Who's this? Lamb chop? No? The bat? You like the bat, huh? No? Oh. Oh, we haven't seen him in a long time. You want to play with little gingerbread? He's so cute. No. I guess it's just Hermie. When only Hermie will do. I definitely don't want any Miss Piggy. She's too loud. This is a quiet day. All right. Oh, what's this? Oh, no. Wow. Only Hermie will do, I guess. Ooh. Aw,